Zeitgeber is a noun that refers to an external cue that helps regulate biological rhythms, especially the sleep-wake cycle. To its origins, the word comes from the German Zeit, time, and Geber, giver, meaning time giver. It was introduced in the 20th century into the field of chronobiology. Explanation and usage. A Zeitgeber is an environmental signal, like light, temperature, or social activity, that synchronizes an organism's internal clock with the external world. Example sentences. Sunlight is the most powerful Zeitgeber for regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Mealtimes can act as Zeitgebers, helping to regulate metabolism and energy levels. Cultural significance. The concept is crucial in sleep science and medicine, influencing discussions on circadian rhythms, mental health and productivity. Artificial lighting and screen exposure are modern Zeitgebers that can disrupt natural biological cycles. Synonyms: circadian cue, a signal that influences biological rhythms. Synchronizer, something that aligns internal processes with external time. Chronobiological regulator, a factor affecting biological timing. Antonyms: disruptor, something that interferes with natural rhythms. Desynchronizer, a factor that misaligns internal and external time. Free running cycle, a biological rhythm without external cues. Key takeaway: Zeitgeber refers to external cues like sunlight or meal times that regulate biological clocks. Understanding Zeitgebers is essential for maintaining a healthy sleep cycle and overall well-being. Subscribe.